RFK Jr. was accused by his full-time babysitter in 1990-something of groping her. Of course, he managed to get off. That is to say, escape prosecution. Some money exchanged hands, I suspect. He offered up something that sounded like a plausible defense if you didn't listen too closely. I went into the court and I said I didn't force her to do anything, Your Honor. I told her, you don't want to fool around, that's fine. My Uncle Teddy will drive you home. I remember thinking at the time, why the hell does Robert Kennedy Jr. need a babysitter? Isn't he in his 30s? Then I realized he doesn't have a live-in babysitter because he's a pathetic, self-indulgent, wealthy, grown-up infant. He has a live-in full-time babysitter because he's a pathetic, wealthy, neglectful parent. And he molests the babysitter because he's an objectionable infant. Here's the thing about the privilege of dynastic wealth. In the 1990s, I wrote jokes about how this entitled prick was going to avoid prosecution. This year, he ran for president viably enough that one of the candidates is talking about giving him a cabinet position. On Tuesday evenings, you can come write jokes with us if you want. It's a workshop, but some weeks, it is a sudden memory of jokes from 30 years ago that really shouldn't be relevant again. ActiveVoiceProductions.com/humor, I imagine, will get you directly to the workshop. Come play.